insurgencies and counterinsurgencies are mainly about winning the support of the people.
It's the 11th of March 2013 at the Kandahar Media and Information Center, or KMIC, in southern Afghanistan. Last night, a coalition forces helicopter went down, killing the 5 ISAF troops on board. The KMIC are quick to release a statement on Twitter, stating that there was no enemy activity in the area and that the crash was down to bad weather. At the same time, the Taliban released a statement on their Twitter account, claiming that they shot down the helicopter. Colonel Richard McNaughton is a US advisor who worked alongside the Kandahar government to help establish the KMIC in 2010.
This information was also posted on Facebook, and at this time a press release is being generated. And the purpose of getting this out early is to deny the enemy the propaganda effect of taking credit for a helicopter going down.
Unable to compete with the Afghan and coalition forces on the actual battlefield, the insurgents now focus much of their efforts on the virtual one. Sporadic attacks on government branches, such as the one on the Afghan Defense Ministry in Kabul on March the 9th, are strategic attempts to provoke fear and uncertainty about the government's ability to secure the country.
They are so good in propaganda, and they are so good in getting their message out on social media, on internet, to the media and to the people.
Although both the KMIC and the Taliban have several thousand followers on Twitter, their primary objective is to get their message out to the journalists, who in turn feed the information to the mass population.
Taliban is very, smart, and they are using the new technology. For example, they are tweeting, they are using Facebook, they are texting us, and they are sending emails. Anything's happened, so they are the first to let the journalists know.
With 18 million mobile phone subscriptions in Afghanistan, Taliban propaganda messages such as this one are easy to circulate. But with both the insurgents and the Afghan government embracing modern media, the information battleground is spread much wider.
It becomes quite clear to both the reporters and the public when they read the information that comes out of here and the level of details that we put out regarding an event versus the messaging that the insurgents put out, the choice is quite clear in support of the government.
The decision to combat Taliban propaganda in Kandahar by providing local and national press with quick, factual details whenever a situation arises has played a large part in helping to swing public opinion towards the government. But with the 2014 deadline for the transition of all security to the Afghan forces fast approaching and the presidential election in the same year, the battle for public opinion is now at its most critical. This is Jake Tutman reporting from Kandahar for the NATO channel.